Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I have another Edith Holden vintage pack up for sale, and this is it. I'm super excited. I've put some new different things in here. There are 22 things in here for your journals. So let me show you what's in this. Oh my gosh, I just absolutely love how all of these have turned out. So what I'm going to do, let's just push them all to one side. Charles, stop being a doofus. So the first thing we have, which is a new thing I've added into my kits, are these ribbon spools. Now everything is made with Edith Holden book pages. So you've got a big one and a little dinky do one, and these are cute to tuck in or happy mail, however you want to use them. So you have two of those. I have a one corner flip. There's one corner flip in here, tuck spot, which you would stick that on and you can use that as a pocket. Stop it. Right, you're going to have to go if you're going to be a pain. Right, now we have, these are the memory decks little pockets, which are super cute. Now I haven't glued this down because you might not want me, you might not want it glued down, but it does glue down if you want to have it just as a pocket, but I haven't. You might want it as a flip, so I've left it like that, and it's so super adorable. Look at that. I just love it. And obviously there's book pages, old ephemera, letters, laces, etc. used on these items. We have two of these lovely gorgeous tags. They are just adorable. Now I haven't put ribbon in the tags. Now why haven't I? The reason being is that you might want to color coordinate with your journal the ribbons in there, so I've left them so that you can add your own to them, if that would make sense, because sometimes you want to coordinate the ribbons with your journal. So I have left the ribbons off. That is entirely up to you what you want to do. So these are two large tags, and they've got this lovely decorative edge, and they're all decorated and got yumminess all over them. So there's two large tags. I have this gorgeous file folder flip pocket, and it has two journaling cards inside the pockets, and there's another one just there as well. So this is like a large file folder tuck in, tuck spot. You can just use it by itself. Look at that, it's huge. It's actually quite big, and I've put some lovely vintage lace on the tab. So that's a file folder a file folder. This is a pocket, double pocket, so you've got the pocket there and you have a pocket in there as well. So this is a lovely pocket that you can glue on, or you can just use that and tuck it in by itself. I have one of these little cute envelopes, and it's got like a scalloped edge, and it's just adorable to put something inside of it. That is just lovely. I love it. Then I have this. It's just a what would you call it, collaged tuck spot. You can just use it, or you can use it to write on, or you could actually glue it in on your pages and use it as a tuck spot, however you want to use it. That's just a tuck spot or a writing space, I should say. I have a little booklet here that has some little coffee dyed pages, and it's just got this super gorgeous flip with the little bees, and it's got some vintage lace, and that's just a little booklet. I have now you can use this as a belly band, or again as just a tuck spot, and it's just got this lovely lace on it. I haven't put anything on the back because I thought you would probably glue that in either as a belly band or just a tuck spot in your journal. So there are two of those. That's something very different. I have another little booklet with the word laugh, and it's just got some scrap coffee dyed papers in there. That's a bit bigger, that one. So you have, trying to put a couple of each, so you've got two of those, you've got two of the large tags, two of these sort of more collage. You've got 2 bobbins. There is only one of the corner flips. I've put a couple of envelopes. This is just a regular envelope, and it has some vintage letter in there. And I've not put too much on here because I like the bird, and I just thought I would put a little bit of lace. So that's another. You have those 2 envelopes. Charles, knock it off. Stop it. Okay, right, this is a little pocket, and you know, you could just put something cute in there. It's got heartfelt on there and these gorgeous flowers. Didn't want to do too much on that either because it's beautiful as it is. Then I have a banner, a little banner that you could glue down at the top and then use that as a tuck spot like that, or you could actually put a paper clip on it and have it as a altered paper clip. There's another little pocket book, and this is just cute. It is Christmas themed. It's got Believe, and it's got gorgeous. I did decorate this in my other video, and it has 2 little pockets there to tuck something in. So you've got 2 pockets there, and I've just put a bit of lace on there. And then we have a couple of these, which are, again, you know, these are tags, but you could just clip them on the page, and they've just got these gorgeous little vintage girls on there, and they're just layered up really with different things. So you've got 2 of those, but they are actually tags. They do have a little hole in them, so you could put a little bit of thread or something through them. Then I have another little tag there, and this is a Dinky Doo tag. So you've got quite a few tags, but you could actually use them as little, you know, tucks on the pages, or you could clip them on somewhere. And then I have this last tag, which is quite a nice size, and it's all decorated up there. So those are all the items that are in there. There are 22 items. Now this pack is £22 plus £3 postage, so £25 if you're in the UK, and if you're outside of the UK it's £22, and then whatever your postage is. So if you're interested in this pack, please let me know. They have been in quite high demand, so just leave me a message below or email me at the email address in the description, and then it's all yours. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you like my work, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.